How to delete all text messages on Android at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to your messages application on your device and here you'll be able to see all your messages. Now if you want to delete the text messages and if you have few messages, you can simply make a long press on the message that you want to delete and then tap on each of the messages that you would want to delete. Okay, you'll have to tap all the messages over here in order to delete. So after tapping on the messages, you just have to tap on the delete option available over here and it will give you the pop-up that if you really want to delete it, and then if you want to, then just tap on delete. Next, what you can do is simply make a long press on messages application and then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the storage option. As you tap on storage option, you can just tap on clear data, and then as you tap on clear data, you can just clear all data. That will remove all the messages and delete all the text messages on Android at once, and you can clear cache as well if you cannot delete all data. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.